I wanted to show a new feature of Visual Studio 2010 that I really like, and I've always wanted this feature, and that is that you can float your code windows. So in this case, if I click and drag a code file, I can float it outside of the IDE, and in this case I can view two code files side by side. And this especially comes in handy when you have multiple monitors, because you can drag these code files off to this other monitor, and that way you can view multiple code files at the same time. The one thing that does happen is these floated windows do cover up the IDE. You can still get to your menus. So for example, to get to the window menu, I can press Alt W and I can still get to that menu, Alt F, and I can bring up my file menu, but you cannot see the IDE under it. To redock the floated windows, you can right click on the title bar and select Dock as tabbed document, and that will dock them back into the IDE. I also thought it was kind of handy that you can create keyboard commands. So if you go to Tools, Options, and if you go to Environment, Keyboard, there's a couple commands. So there's a window.float command, and I went ahead and I bound that to Control semicolon, and there's also a window.dock as tabbed document command, and I went ahead and mapped that to the Control single quote key, and that way here I can, on a code file, I can press Control semicolon and float the window, and if I hit Control single quote, it'll dock the window back into the IDE. This feature I've really wanted for a long time. I'm quite happy with it. So hopefully this video helps out. Take care.